Yeah, you need to cut that hair though, bro. I ain't feeling it. I'm not feeling your fro. I'm liking your flow, but not your fro. I'm sorry, bro. What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to Alley Oop. If y'all are new, make sure y'all throw it up, throw it down on that subscribe button. And if you haven't already, make sure y'all follow me on Twitter. That's OPSIIA. Today we got a college game, Duke versus UNC. RJ Barrett versus Coby White going at it head to head. It's gonna be a good game. People are saying that North Carolina actually have a chance of winning this March Madness, and Coby White just recently beat Michael Jordan's North Carolina scoring record. So yeah, man, this UNC team is legit. It's legit. So we're gonna see how they match up against the great Duke, the modern day Fab Five. Let's see if they can go at it. I really don't know what's gonna happen because Duke is still playing without Zion, and we've seen the last couple of games without Zion, and it's definitely been tough on the young Blue Devils. I mean, they've changed their lineup a couple of times. I mean, it's usually this first starting four, you know, Trey Jones, RJ Barrett, Cam Reddish, Marcus Baldwin, but it's that two spot that sometimes they change. Alice O'Connell, you know, he's a great shooter, so. Ooh, great move. Is he gonna shoot again? Look at that, step back. Oh, that's a nice move. That was a nice move. Open three. Good tip. Oh yeah, it was the first UNC. It was the last UNC game that Zion got injured at, right? Yeah, this crowd is in it. They were in it from the jump. Definitely in it from the jump. Ooh, give me that. Ooh. Okay. Good shot. We need Cam. We need Cam to light it up. We need Cam to get hot in this building. That's what we need. We need Cam to come out of his shell. We need Cam to come out of his shell. That's what we need. Ooh. What? So this is what this Coby dudes is about, huh? Nazir Little. You know Nazir Little. Y'all know about Nazir. McDonald's All-American. Know about Nazir. Good pass. It's gonna be a close game. I feel like it's gonna come down to another buzzer beater. Good pass. Good shot. Let's go. Cam Reddish needs to have that kind of game, man, where he just drops 25 or some shit. We need that. We need it from Cam. RJ Barrett is not going to be able to do it all by himself. Trey Jones also has to participate, man. This needs to be a team win. Good take. Nazir Little. Good move. Bad pass. And one. Wow, ref ain't calling shit, huh? Ref don't want to call nothing. Good shot. There we go. Yeah. Cam needs to come, like, he don't need to be scared of nothing. Shoot whatever you want, bro. Shoot everything. How they got a 3 out of that play is ridiculous. That was a mess. An absolute mess. Cam, that's what we need. That's what we need. Cam Reddish 15 points first quarter. Yep, Cam, this is your game, bro. This is your game. We need a 40 pointer. It's gonna come down to a game-winning shot. Mark my words. Pull that, pull that, pull that. Ooh, ooh. There we go. There we go, Cam. That was a great spin move. It was a great spin move. Not phenomenal, great. White, good pass. Good pass. Kobe liked that behind the back move, huh? Good shot. Good follow up. Good follow up. Way to be aggressive, Donazir. Way to be aggressive. That's a tough shot. That is a tough shot. A very tough mid-range shot. Got the D. Got the block, but you know, Delorier followed up. That's what we need. We need that effort. This Kobe guy loves to run 150 miles per hour, huh? Wow, full court. Jesus. 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 Hey. This guy is actually pretty good. I remember him in the last North Carolina game against Duke. He lit it up. He lit it up. UNC have actually got a good team. They've actually got a good team. They got a good team. Like, this game is it's gonna be a tough game for Duke. It's gonna be a very tough game for good. RJ Barrett. I see like his first 3 of the night. Need those. Need those. Good shot. Good shot. Come on, man. They're getting a lot of second chance points, man. They're getting a lot of second chance points. Good take. Good take. He can do it all. Cam Reddish is a great all-around player, man. Good shot. Damn, this crowd is in it. Jesus. God damn. This crowd is in it. Yo, Kobe, you need to do something with your hair, my guy. You really need to do something with that hair. You really need to do something with that hair, man. I don't know what's the story behind it. Is he growing his hair for a reason? Is he growing his hair until he gets drafted? Or what? Or is that just his signature? I don't know. But I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. I'm going to be honest, y'all. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. That hair is too much. It's too much. Yeah, Kobe White finna take over this game, huh? Ooh. That's a great follow-up. That's a great follow-up. Yeah, okay. North Carolina look like they're taking this home. Don't let him shoot again. Jesus Christ. Kobe White. God damn. Yeah, he finna cook. Good pass. Yeah, this game's over. Yeah, this game's over. Give me that. That's a fucking beast of a rebound. If they score this, damn, this game is over. Over. Lights out. He got 4 fouls, 3 offensive fouls. God damn. Ref ain't liking him, huh? Hey, look, we've seen Duke come back from big leads. So let's not act like Duke can't come back from this. They can come back from this. It's a 5-point game. It's a 5-point game. But I don't think they're going to come back, though. Give me that. Good D. Good D. Yeah. Yeah. Told y'all. Told y'all. Yep. 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 That's tough. That's tough. Hey, that guy COBY, right? Jesus. Jesus. Oh, my God. Yeah, that was very, 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 very tough. Very tough. I told y'all they needed a big game. They needed a big game. Coby White, 21 points. Kenny Williams, 18. See, they had a good amount of scorers. Like, they had 4 players in double digits. Duke only had 2. Cam Reddish and RJ. And they both had big games, but they needed the rest of the team, man. Marquise Bolden came out with some tough blocks. So did Delorier came out with some tough blocks. 10 rebounds, 8 boards. But damn, man, they needed everybody in that game. Everybody. Because that UNC team, yeah, they ain't playing games, bro. They are not playing games. They're coming for that championship. But now the records are tied, 26-5, 26-5. Now Duke have moved down to number 4, ranking number 4, and North Carolina number 3. Man, great game from Coby White, man. Y'all need to watch out for him. Maybe I'll do some highlights on Coby White so we can get him on this channel, because we haven't really watched much of Coby White. But that game, yo, Coby, y'all, you need to cut that hair though, bro. I ain't feeling it. I'm not feeling your fro. I'm liking your flow, but not your fro. I'm sorry, bro. Anyway, if y'all enjoyed that video, man, hit that like button. If y'all new to Alley, make sure y'all throw it up, throw it down on that subscribe button. And again, thank y'all for watching. Catch y'all on the next video, man. Peace.